you. Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you.
Yo, they try to tell me that I'm tripping, got the mind of a winner. You don't know the difference, see that hate up in your eyes, little buddy, what you sipping? Oh, you think I'm out of bounds? Then go ahead, blow the whistle, I can't help but turn the heat up. Let 'em watch me sizzle, try to figure me out, that's a complicated riddle. Got an outside game and I still can work the...
So what's going on all my frag heads and said heads? The champ is here and I'm gonna tell you what's vlogging. So I promise you guys, that video is not really what it looks like. Yes, you see the bottle of liquors, but I woke up feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. It just so happens that my Keurig machine sits next to my bottles. But woke up this morning, got me a cup of Joe, felt great, felt excited. I had good news on the way. I had a sister saying, hey, our brother's in town, come through. So a quick little story on my brother. He's a comedian. He travels the states looking for gigs to get paid. So we haven't seen him in a while. He was in Virginia for a little bit, moved back to Chicago, back to Minnesota, and I think he's back in Chicago again. So to hear he was on his way, I was so excited, and he was in town for his son's birthday. Great opportunity to get the friends and family together and enjoy our time. This is kinda the last time we were all together. This was my sister's graduation from Mesa Community College. She got her first degree, and we flew everyone in from out of town, including our auntie, our grandmother, cousins we haven't spoke to in forever. We got the kids all together. We got the brothers and sisters under one roof. We had a blast, y'all. This was a great time. I mean, we did everything from King's Cup to Drunken Connect 4 to Flip Cup. I mean, spades, everything was just going, y'all. This is one of those days where, you know, you put all your family drama aside or anything that's going on between anyone, and you just enjoy each other's time like it's the last time on earth. There's nothing like being with family and the love that's in the room. We have to get back to that. So we had to assemble the band one more time. So there was one more time after that we kind of got the band back together. That was the same sister graduating from a university this time, from ASU. She's an alumni, y'all. She's a Sun Devil. Yes, still love it, respect it. For a black woman in our family to get there, I mean, we all had to be there to separate. We all put our funds together to make sure she graduated on time and with honors. And like I said, we got back together on this day. This was an outside stadium, but the section we were in, we had that thing rocking. I mean, I made it a goal, my purpose, not to embarrass her, but to make sure that they knew that was my sister and I was proud of her. Rocking the maroon and gold with the pitchforks, Sun Devils. Now, granted, I do give her crap here and there for going to that school. Big brother wanted her to do something else, but I'm proud of her. So this was kind of the last time we were all together, man. And I couldn't wait to see each other again. Just look at these young boys, these young men. God, just thinking about it, it's heartwarming. The special moment about getting us all together under one roof was me seeing my nephews. Since I don't have any sons myself, it feels good to have my nephews to kind of pick on, to raise. Not even really to raise, but just to guide. You know, when they see me, I can bully them. I can give them crap. I can talk to them about girls. I can share my experiences with them. You know, I can do the things with them that I wasn't able to do with my uncles and father. Not saying that they weren't around. It's just that I would rather play a bigger role in their lives, because I kind of know the role of the father now. I know the role of the uncle, the big uncle, the one you want to go to for protection or advice. You know, when you can't go to your father, who's the next one you go to? A lot of times our grandfathers aren't around, so that leaves cousins, leaves uncles, and I don't want them getting lost in the streets. We're a small pack. We're small knitted. We're tight knitted, y'all. And when I saw these boys, it just warmed my heart. We have Nick Jr. on the left. We have Tony in the middle. And we have Ezra on the right. God, look at them. They are just so beautiful, and they're going to be the future of this family. And I can't wait to see their growth. I'm going to be there every step, every moment. I'm telling you. And here we are, the birthday boy and his father, my brother. Just seeing them together, it was just a heartwarming moment again, because I know how much he loves his son. And I know as much as little Tony doesn't understand right now, his father is making a better living for him. He has to go out here and make a living. It's not hard being a comedian. You're away from your family, dirty clubs, dirty hotels, but now he's with the family and we are going to have a ball. Now, here's my other brother and his son, Nick and Nick. Nick at Night and Nick Jr. I haven't seen either of these because I've been so busy myself, but just seeing them together and seeing how much he's grown and how much of a man my brother has and the things he's accomplished, I'm so proud. It's like being a proud father, just proud big brother.
Laker gang! Woo woo! Big gang! Yeah!
Oh yeah, did I mention our Lakers won? Whoop whoop. Laker gang, Lake show, Laker nation. So now I had to bust out the bad boy, the big boy. Time to turn up at the kids' party. Yes, sir. Our Vikings were playing and our Lakers won. You know, sometimes a kids' party turns into an adult's party. That's the real reason why we get together, y'all.
Happy birthday, dear Tony. Happy birthday to you.
And there you have it, guys. We had a blast. Got to see each other and celebrate it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.